right, kids?
Let's write the letter B.
Hey kids, now we're going to write the letter B, as in bear.
Bear.
You'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. Go to our website to download a free practice sheet. First, we'll write the capital B. That's the big B. Start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and go around to the middle. Next, go around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down, around, around. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase b. That's the small b. Start at the top and make a line down. Now, go to the middle and go all the way around. Let's try that again. Down, around. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter B. Next time, we'll write the letter C. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
Natty TV.
See you next,
kids.